Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss on how to create tags in Odoo 16. Tags are a useful feature available in Odoo to represent or easily identify the task. Most of the Odoo modules such as CRM, sales, contact and many more include the tags option. The tags helps in easy filtration of records and you can easily access the data instantly. So let us see how to create a tag and its implementation. So going to the sales module, you can see the option to create the tag. So here you can create a tag and you can also set the color to the tag which you have created in order to differentiate the tag from the other tags. I'll save the tag which I have created, and if you want to delete a tag, you can delete it from here. So let me create a new quotation. Here I'll add a new customer. So after adding the new customer, I will go to the internal link of the customer. So here you can see an option to add the tags to the customer in the contact module. So you can even add the tags from here to the customer. And let me go back to the quotation which I've created. Let me add a product. So in the other info tab, you have the option to set the tags to the quotation which you have created. So let me add the tag from here and I'll confirm the quotation. Going back to the quotations, let me show you how to filter quotations based on tags. So here you have the option to add a custom filter. So let me add a custom filter to filter my quotations according to tags. So here let me add it as tags, and you can also see the different comparison methods. So let me select it as contains service. So if my quotation contains service, it would be filtered based on that. So now you can see the quotations has been filtered based on the tag service. So if you go inside a quotation, you can see the tags as service. So it is really useful if you have a huge number of data and records to filter it based on tags, as it helps you for better analyzing your records. That's all for today. Thank you.